Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a new long-wearing lash system. So I'm a big fan of these lash systems because you apply the lashes under your eye. And for me, it just feels way more comfortable. I feel like they look really natural and beautiful. And I found a few other ones that I really like. I did reviews on them, so I will link them all below. I've tried Lashify, Flutter Habit, Falscara, and I saw that Eylure has a new lash system out, so I wanted to try theirs. I've only seen it at Target online and Ulta online. Eylure doesn't even have this on their website yet. They don't have any tutorial videos, so hopefully this video can kind of give you some insight on how to apply these lashes, but also just how they are in comparison to other lash systems on the market. This one is 25 bucks and you get all of this. So I'm gonna go through the whole system with you. I'm gonna show you how to apply them and just talk you through my experience with them. So the first long-wearing lash system that I ever tried was Lashify. Yes, I spent $145 on it, and I honestly don't regret it. I'm a big fan of how beautiful and natural the lashes look, and they do last a few days on me, but I feel like they get linty. They have a lot of little fuzzies that attach to the glue, and I've never really been able to reuse the lashes successfully without them looking like I'm wearing used lashes. So I end up just using them one time and tossing them, and I just feel like for that price, it like hurts my soul a little bit. So then I tried Falscara, which is a great dupe, but I just feel like they're not as long wearing. And then I found Flutter Habit, which is amazing. I'm a big fan of Flutter Habit. I think that their lashes are beautiful. I'll link the video for all of them in the caption below and up here. But I just think the problem with Flutter Habit is you can't buy them in stores. So if you're like going on a last minute weekend getaway and you want to have lashes for the whole trip, you want something that you can buy in stores the day of maybe, and really the only options at that point would be like Falscara or now these. So I'm going to be reviewing these today. Ardell also has some long wearing lash systems. I haven't tried them because I've heard that God, my dogs are fighting. So I haven't tried the Ardell ones because the glue kind of scares me. So this glue supposedly can come off easier. We'll see. Oh, I also tried Moitié, which was a complete disaster. I literally ripped out half of my lashes with that. So don't try Moitié if you're looking for a long wearing lash system. I prefer the gummy glue over like the at-home lash extension glue. It's just not user-friendly and kind of dangerous. So I'll link those videos up here too. All right, so back to these lashes. The Eylure comes in two sizes. I ordered the C curl. There's also a D curl, which looked longer to me. I don't really like the longer ones because I feel like they look really fake on me, and they also poke my eyebrows. I get Botox, so I don't really have that much movement in my forehead right now. And actually I got Dysport last time, but I just feel like if my lashes can touch my brows, it's really frustrating and annoying, and I don't like it, and then it like makes me not want to open my eyes as wide. So I ordered the C curl. I also permed my eyebrows last night, so I did eyebrow lamination, and this is tripping me out. They're usually like, they stick out. My eyebrows are so thick and coarse, and right now they're like plastered to my face. It feels crazy. So one of these boxes comes with 6 lash clusters. You have the bond and the seal, which I'll explain what that is later. And then it also has the application wand. So this is basically what all of the other lash kits come with. The glue is latex free, so if you have a latex allergy, you can use this. You should be fine, and it's vegan friendly. They say that these lashes can last for up to 7 days, which is longer than the other lash systems actually. And then they say you can reuse them up to 8 times, which I'm not gonna try that because I've never had any success reusing lashes. And just at first impressions, I would say these lashes are very curled, which kind of worries me because my lashes are stick straight, but right now I have a lash perm, so it might work. I have really thick, coarse, straight lashes, and sometimes if it's too curled, I can't get it under my lash to like lift it. So we'll see how these do. So I don't love the price point on these. I think that $24 to $25 is a lot, considering you can't just buy the lashes individually yet. But this is so new that maybe they're coming soon, and then you can reuse the bond and the seal and the application wand. I don't know. And then you could just buy lashes and restock. So hopefully that's coming because otherwise it's just wasteful. But also $25 isn't the best price out there for one set of lashes unless you really can reuse them up to 8 times. All right, now we're gonna get into the application process. So with these lashes, what you do is you apply the bond to the base of the lash. And then what I normally would do, like with Lashify, is I would apply the bond to the actual lash as well and then clamp it on with the applicator. So I haven't done lashes in a while. This could go really bad, but it's New Year's Eve and I wanted to wear lashes tonight, so I'm gonna give it a shot. So the directions are printed on the back of the box here, and then they also give you an instruction manual with a lot of different languages on here. So that's nice. And then all of the ingredients are right below. So if you guys want to see what's in them. And then you can recycle the carton and the tray. And then what you do, let's see if these are any different than my other ones. Step 1, lightly dab the adhesive bond on the base of your lashes on the underside. Step 2, place the lash flares one by one to the underside of your natural lashes where you've applied the bond, and then use the applicator to secure the lash flares on your natural lashes by pressing them together, fusing, which is funny because they're using the same term as Lashify, and Lashify is like, I'm pretty sure they're suing Falscara or Kiss because they copied them, so I don't know what's going on there. And then step 4, gently use a thin coat of the sealant over the flares to remove any adhesive residue and seamlessly bond them together. You ready? Am I ready? So this is really nice actually. It's like a thick metal and I like how small it is. It's pretty, I like it. I didn't really like the Falscara one. I felt like it was a little bulky. So we'll see how this one does. And then this comes with on either end. So the bond is black and that's what, it's basically the glue. And then the seal, this is what you use to seal the lash to your lashes. And then it also gets rid of any of that sticky glue residue and it's just clear. Let's do this. So I usually start on the outside and work my way in. We're just gonna go for it. So I guess first I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Okay, we're just gonna try this. So I actually don't love these applicators. It's like a little mascara brush, but I like the pointy tip ones more. So Falscara, I don't know if they make, or Lashify, I don't know if they make those anymore, but they used to have these little things that would, oh, this is scary. Sorry, I can't talk and like focus. They used to have these little wand things that you could just easily brush it on. It was like a felt marker almost. But we're gonna do this. Oh, it's already getting tacky. Okay. Okay, so what I usually do is grab the lash with my fingers. Just, I have more control that way. And then I turn this away. So you grab the lash like this. this eye is done. And I think they're really naturally beautiful. I really like this C. This is a nice length for me. It accentuates your eye and looks pretty, but still natural. And that's what I'm always going for when I'm wearing lashes. I don't like the huge ones. I know people do, and that's totally up to you. If you like those, just get the D curl version. But I like them. So I'm gonna put on this eye, and then I'll share my final thoughts when I'm done. Okay, so I ended up using only 5 of the clusters. I feel like unless you have huge eyes, you don't really need 6, but I went all the way in and I think they look really beautiful. So the seal that you put on to get rid of the tackiness is white. So it looks like lash primer and it's not really drying that fast. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm hoping that goes away, otherwise I'm gonna have to put on mascara or something, which kind of defeats the whole purpose. But underneath, you can see they go on pretty seamlessly. Like you can line them up and it's not that hard. I mean, oh, this one's already lifting. Okay, I'm gonna redo this one. You can see where it's already, let me zoom in. See how this one's already starting to come off. So I'm gonna redo that one. But overall, I think considering this is my first time doing these and my first time just doing lashes in general in months, I think that they're pretty good. It's an interesting way that these clusters work. So the base is wider than the top. So when you put them on, they do kind of like, you can see the separation in the lashes. So if you don't like that look, you might not like these, but I think once they settle down and then I fix that one and hopefully that seal dries to an actual color, it'll be okay. So I'm gonna wear these around tonight. I will do a video tomorrow and just report back on how they were the first night and if they're comfortable to wear. So far I have no irritation, so that's good. I'll just report back depending on how long they last. Okay, so I wanted to show you the lashes today. They are so clumpy. I did lose one this morning. It didn't fall off. I accidentally picked it off, but you can see right here where it's like, look how stiff these lashes are. I've never experienced anything like this with these longer wearing lashes. They feel really hard and stiff, and that I think it was the seal because the glue was so easy to do. So this side looks a little better, but last night I had to put mascara on them because I couldn't get that white primer looking seal to blend in with my dark lashes. So it was like, I'm really not impressed with these. I would say skip them. They're not worth it. So thanks for watching.